What is cardio exercise? Cardio is an acronym for cardiovascular, a specialized exercise for the heart that is quite popular around the world. Cardio is the use of exercises that increase and control your heart rate to some extent, help increase metabolism, burn fat effectively and increase blood circulation throughout the body. Cardio exercises are better than other exercises like weight training, soccer, martial arts in that they help control your heart rate increase to your liking and maintain it for a certain amount of time. Classification of cardio exercises. Cardio comes in two main categories: HIIT and LISS. HIIT is an acronym for high-intensive interval training, an extremely effective method that is suitable for most people. HIIT is used to burn calories generated during and after a workout. Because it is high intensity, you can only exercise for about 20 to 30 minutes at most. If you can still practice for a longer time, it means that you have not put all your effort into the exercise. Diamond Suit LISS is an acronym for Low Intensity Steady State. If you do low-intensity cardio, it will help your body recover in a short period of time, and exercise for a long time will help burn excess fat in the body. Because this exercise is gentle, you need to extend the exercise time over 1 hour if you want to burn calories effectively and 20 to 30 minutes if you want to recover. Popular cardio exercises: jogging, 20 minutes workout time; outdoor cycling, from 5 to 10 minutes; running on the machine, 10 minutes workout time; climbing stairs; rowing; jump rope, double jump or single jump; terrain running; punch kicks continuously into the sandbag; aerobic exercise to music; one or a series of exercises in place; series of consecutive exercises; continuous rotation without rest between exercises, using equipment or weights.